Hello, hello, hello. This should be a quick video. I'm getting ready to drop off this monitor. And at the last, I did say a time or two, do you have all the cables? What are you hooking this up to? Da, 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 da. And I didn't really get a reply until moments ago, where the fellow said he was hooking up to a 64. He would need a cable. So, I am going to test such a thing. Now, I picked these up. These are wonderful things, because you just go by the colors. If they are, the Commodore cable, this is the Commodore cable. And because I'm hooking, there's a front and a back switch here, I'm going to hook up to the rear. So now, I will turn the monitor around. I will turn it on. It does appropriate things, as in the lights flicker ever so slightly. Now, the other thing I need to do here. Oh, why is that not coming on? Well, it will come on. I will figure this out. I thought I had the 64 here already to test this with. Oh, wait, is this... this could be an original 64, and I think it is. Which means it has a 5-pin video connector and not an 8-pin. Right. So, oh, I hate stacking things, unstacking things, unstacking things. All right, I'm going to pause and go grab my 64. Hello, so I have here a Commodore 64. It has an 8-pin connector, which is what I need. Strangely enough, this one here does not have any notes on it. So I really don't know if it's working. It should have notes on it. Okay, so the power is off. I believe I now have power supply plugged in, so I will turn this on. Okay, the volume is way up, which does not need to be at this time, but there. Oh, things are falling. I will adjust this ever so slightly. There are kind of middle settings on all of this. And of course, people can adjust them as they like. But there it is. Lovely. Lovely, 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 lovely. What I suppose I could do while I'm here oh yes, here's a Vic-20 top I cleaned. I should take that outside. I should go through a bunch of them. So far I found that they do quite wonderful things in the sun, where some others do not. What I'm going to do is take the diagnostic cartridge, the 4-in-1 diagnostics, and I'm going to put it in. I'm not sure what we're on. I think we're on the dead test. And we'll just make sure that everything comes up just as they would say, tickety-boo. And it does seem that the 64 is happy. I should, of course, put a data thing on it and mark it just so. The door closes. Beautifully, beautiful. What I'm really hoping to do is just hear the sound. But it takes a while. Let's go through 0-page, stack page, screen RAM. RAM test, clearing the screen, going through all that. Then you should hear the sound, which I'm sure it will be fine. I'm sure it will be dandy. I'm sure it will be glorious. Glorious. Whenever it actually starts. And here is the filters test, which gives you an added little blast of accuracy. And that is that. It is ready. So, I will turn this off. I will turn this off. I will unplug the cable. I'm tempted, but I don't know. I might leave the cable attached. I might not. You see, anytime you have a cable attached, it also can be a tripwire. But certainly I'll have to leave the power cable attached because they were not removable. They were not. Which is good because you can't lose them, but it's bad if you break it. It's more of an operation to correct it. Anyway, so this 1702 is ready to go. Goodbye, 1702. It's been grand. Anyway, that's it. So remember, if you have an original 64, this cable won't do it. It's a 5-pin DIN. 5-pin. 8-pin on the later ones. Same as the Vic-20. Those cables are harder and harder and harder to find. Thanks for coming. Have a lovely day. Bye for now.